In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add another account on Google Meet, which is a simple yet highly useful skill to have, especially if you manage multiple email accounts for work, school, or personal use. Now, whether you're looking to switch between accounts or simply add a new one, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can do it effortlessly. First things first, let's start by opening your web browser on your computer and navigating over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by visiting meet.google.com. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile picture if you're logged in, or a simple icon if no current account is active. This is your go-to spot for managing your Google accounts. Clicking on your profile picture or icon will bring up a drop-down menu showing various options and any other accounts you might have already signed into. This is where you have the power to manage your account settings and switch or add accounts. Now, from the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Add Another Account. This option allows you to bring a new Google account into your Google Meet. Once you've selected Add Another Account, you'll be prompted to sign in with the new account. If you already have multiple Google accounts, you might be familiar with this step. Enter your username and password and make sure you keep your credentials secure and private. It's always a good idea to double check that you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have multiple email addresses. After successfully signing in with your new account, it will now be part of the list available when you click your profile picture in the future. You can now seamlessly switch between your accounts whenever you need right from that drop-down menu. To switch, just click on your profile picture again and select the desired account from the list of accounts that you have signed in. As you explore the various features and functionalities Google Meet offers, being able to switch effortlessly between different accounts can help streamline your workflow, keep you organized, and save valuable time. It's all about keeping everything under one roof and making sure you have easy access to the different fronts of your digital life. So go ahead, give it a try. Adding another account to Google Meet is truly as straightforward as it sounds, making your online meetings and collaborations all that more efficient. Happy meeting!